Look, the sad truth that nobody wants to hear is that you're gonna lose a lot of friends when you do get rich. And you don't even have to wait that long in reality. I lost a lot of people I was close with when I literally just started in business. My name is Fred, and I've built a consulting business that's generated thousands of dollars per day at its peak. So if you want to stay broke, just feel free to click off and ignore my advice. I think the main reason entrepreneurship is so hard is because no one's gonna believe in you. You're very lucky if you're surrounded by people who don't judge your ambition or who even encourage you for it. In my experience, when you tell people you've got big goals, they actually start secretly judging you. They don't really want to see you doing better than them. It makes them uncomfortable because your ambition is a mirror that reflects their own lack of action. When you say, I'm gonna build a six-figure business, or I'm gonna be a millionaire by 30, they hear that as an attack on their own choices. What they hear is, you're not ambitious enough, you're settling, you're playing it safe. And instead of being inspired by you, instead of supporting you, they resent you for it. They'll smile to your face and say, oh, that's cool, but behind your back, they're hoping you fail so they can say, see, I told you it wouldn't work. This is the reality of pursuing something bigger than yourself. Most people around you are not gonna get it. Most people will think you're crazy. And that's exactly why most people never build anything meaningful. Here's what's gonna happen as you start this journey. You're going to start to level up in every area of your life. Health and fitness, mindset, social skills, business, everything. You're gonna start waking up earlier. You're gonna start working on your goals while everyone else is sleeping. You're gonna start saying no to going out because you need to work on your business. You're gonna start reading non-fiction books, investing in courses, hiring mentors. You're gonna start becoming a different, a better person. And some people you might be really close with right now, people you've known for years, maybe even your whole life, they're not gonna follow you to the top. They're not gonna level up with you. They're gonna stay exactly where they are. And here's the most painful part. They're gonna try to drag you down, intentionally or non-intentionally. They're gonna try to make you give up. They're gonna try to make you feel guilty for being ambitious. They'll say things like, oh, you've changed, or oh, you think you're better than us now, or remember when you used to be fun. They will invite you to things like parties, events, specifically to distract you from your goals. They'll make jokes about your business. They won't take it seriously. They won't question every decision you make. And it's not necessarily because they're bad people. It's because your growth makes them feel uncomfortable. It reminds them of everything they're not doing, everything they could be doing. It forces them to confront their own mediocrity. So of course, what's the path of least resistance? It's to pull you back down to their level because it's easier than rising up to yours. Well, don't let them. Those are not the kind of people you want around you. It might be difficult to let go of them, especially if you've known them all your life. It might hurt a lot. You might feel guilty. You might feel like you're abandoning them. But I can promise you, along the way you'll find better people who will connect with you on a deeper level and share similar ambitions. You'll find people who celebrate your wins instead of secretly hoping you fail. What the hell? You'll find people who push you to go further instead of trying to hold you back. You'll find people who understand the sacrifice and the grind because they're living it too. And those relationships will be so much more fulfilling than the ones you left behind. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now look, anybody who tells you to get a quote-unquote real job when you start a business needs to get out of your life immediately. I don't care who they are. I don't care how long you've known them. These are not the kinds of people you want around you, because entrepreneurship is one of the hardest things I've ever done. And believe me, I went through a lot of crap in my life. It's tons of lonely nights you're lying wide awake in bed, staring at the ceiling, wondering if you're gonna make it, or if you're gonna have to give up everything you've been working toward. It's wondering if all the sacrifice was worth it. It's questioning yourself constantly. It's dealing with the fear that maybe everyone was right and you were wrong. It's many days of hard work you spend repairing things that broke down in the business. A client cancels, a campaign fails, a launch doesn't go as planned, something breaks, and you have to figure out how to fix it. And you're doing all of this alone because most people in your life don't understand what you're going through. They don't understand the pressure. They don't understand the stress. They don't understand why you just can't relax and be normal. So when someone tells you to get a real job, what they're really saying is, I don't believe in you, I don't think you can do this, I think you're being ridiculous, and I need you to stay small so I feel better about my own choices. That's not support, that's sabotage. and you need to recognize it for what it is and cut those people out of your life without hesitation. And that's exactly why 99% of people are never going to become millionaires or even make $10,000 a month from a business. They all want the passive income and the freedom and the lifestyle. They see the end result and they want that. Fair enough, who doesn't? But they don't realize what it really takes to get there. They don't see the years of grinding before success. They don't see the failures and setbacks and the moments where you wanted to quit. They don't see the loneliness and the doubt and the fear. They just see the highlight reel and they think, I want that, without understanding the price you have to pay for it. And when they start their own journey and realize how hard it actually is, they give up. They go back to their comfortable life. They tell themselves it wasn't meant to be. They convince themselves that entrepreneurship is for other people, not for them. And they settle for mediocrity because that's easier than doing the work required to build something real. And honestly, I do wish that social media rewarded showing your journey and failures more than the fake private jet pictures, because that is what people need to see. They need to see the reality of building a business. They need to see that it's not always glamorous. They need to see that success takes a lot of time and effort and sacrifice. That's why it's so rewarding when you do become successful. But instead, all they see are people pretending they made it overnight, like they became millionaires at 17 or whatever bullshit you see online. And it sets completely unrealistic expectations. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Here's the thing nobody tells you about getting rich. The money is actually the easy part. The hard part is becoming the kind of person who can handle wealth. The hard part is developing the discipline, the mindset, the work ethic, the skills that are required to build and sustain a successful business. The hard part is losing relationships with people who can't grow with you. The hard part is dealing with the isolation that comes with being ambitious in a world full of people who are comfortable being average. The hard part is staying committed when everything in you wants to quit. That is what separates the people who make it from the people who don't. It's not intelligence, it's not connections, it's not luck. It's the ability to keep going when it's hard. It's the ability to cut out toxic people even when it hurts. It's the ability to work when you don't feel like it. It's believing in yourself even when nobody else does. So if you're serious about building wealth, if you're serious about creating a life that most people only dream about, you need to accept right now that you're gonna lose people. Friends who don't understand, who aren't really friends. Family members who think you're foolish or who hate you for it. People you've known your whole life who can't support your vision. And that's okay, it's part of the process. You can't take everyone with you to the top of the mountain. Some people are meant to be in your life for a season, not forever. And as you grow, as you level up, as you become more successful, you're naturally going to outgrow certain relationships. That doesn't make you a bad person. You don't have to feel guilty for getting better. That makes you someone who's committed to their goals, a high achiever, someone who refuses to let other people's limitations become their own, someone who understands that your circle should elevate you, not hold you back. So don't feel guilty about it. Don't apologize for your ambition. Don't shrink yourself just to make other people feel comfortable. Keep pushing forward. Keep working on your goals. Keep building your business and trust that the right people will find their way into your life at the right time. Your future isn't created by the people who doubt you. Your future is created by what you do every single day in spite of that doubt. So the question is simple. Are you willing to lose some friends to gain the life you actually want? Because that's the trade, and most people aren't willing to do what it takes to make the sacrifices. But if you are, if you're ready to commit to this path, no matter what it costs you, then you are already ahead of 99% of people. Now you just have to execute. If you want to get my help, so we can help you build a profitable course, coaching, or service business, check out the free resources in the description below.